In this video, we are going to talk about how to build a remote site high availability environment. The purpose of remote site high availability is to prevent severe failure in local site, such as network failure or power failure. In these situations, the mail service will still be halted even with local site high availability. To create a remote site high availability environment, the server can connect each other through the internet or through VPNs. Both ways have the same setup on the mail server. The only difference is when you connect through the internet, you have to set up port forwarding for TCP 1024 and TCP 873 and TCP 3306. First, see the high availability page on the server you want to use as the slave server or backup server. The location is at System Management, High Availability. Next, choose the backup type as Remote Backup. If you connect both servers through the internet, the connect host IP is the public IP of the remote server. In this demonstration, the remote server IP is 192.168.186.173. So this will be my connect host IP. Then you have to enter the public IP of the local server. In this demonstration, I'm using 174. Now press the connect button. After you press connect, you will see waiting for acceptance. So let's see the backups, the main server. It will show the backup server want to connect to the main server. So now let's press accept. After you press connect, the page will show like this. Next, you have to enable both servers. Press apply and enter your password. Next, you have to wait both servers synchronized. Here it will show you the database status. When the status turns to green light, it means finished.